In 2023. No, masakit nga
This
yan.
would happen later.
Sino yan?
Rahman, under arrest for the murder of Kanjuma.
Jocelyn, you're coming to the station.
Yun, nakawala.
What's going on? Where did you run? Wait, why are you doing this? Let me go!
You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Hear me?
Hey! I didn't kill anyone! I didn't do it!
Doon din pala siya yung...
What happened was an accident!
Ayan.
That's what it
Siya
was!
ang siya yung nakara... Ano rin?
The bitch was gonna die anyway!
That's the charge. Chung Sumin is also being arrested as an accomplice.
And
Whatever you want to say, save it for the station.
What?
Let's go.
You can't do this! It wasn't me! I
Hey!
didn't do it!
Get him out.
I didn't do it!
Siya rin pala yung nagbalik ng ano,
Does that mean Thompson and Kanjuma's husband were having an affair? Unbelievable. Really, if that's true, she really has a nerve asking us to be here for her. Honestly,
Sige naman ka ako.
I totally ganged up on her back then, and it didn't sit right with me. Oh yeah. Do you really think Sharon told her to break up with Eno?
come.
I'm not sure.
You want
Pressure some kids.
said what?
Oh, wait, Uno, you're here too? Hey, sit your butt down. You just missed the show.
Kaya pala yun yung sino-sino mga tatawagan.
Don't get me started. Your ex man wanted the Chima's husband.
What I've learned about Kanjuman's life, there were no rules.
Aba.
Pupunta sa birthday, dali eh. Tulog na. Tutulog na. Yun ang
And
itabi.
it's right for everything.
Sabihin na, Eric. Sabihin mo na. Nakaulit ng ano. Ayun, oh, namatay din siya. Hoy, ayan, accident, yun. Yan, oh. Nanangisip.
Nanaginip,
Parehas na matay.
nanaginip lang yan.
Oh, ayun, nagkaroon ng... Parang miracle yung puso.
I got a second chance.
Have a second chance. Nabuhay siya.
Guys, dua. Ingredients. This is my ingredients.
Thinking back on it, I had several
This
chances.
is my ingredients.
The things are different this time. I feel better now.
Every single man is a cheater.
Juan, you really should keep a closer eye on G1.
If I change one thing, it could lead to a problem that didn't previously exist. Where'd you go after work? Be honest with me. I'm worried that Mr. Park could end up hurting you at some point.
Or I just opened my eyeballs.
Tama, tama!
Di ba?
Ano na? Eh, pupunta na. Hi. Tama! Tutulog na nga eh. Pupunta. Matagi may make-up!
Wala.
Ano yung nilagay mo sa pisngi mo?
Wala.
Ako na eh.
Ganyan ang ginawa kayo sa kanila. Mas malala pa kayo sa ginawa niya.
Ano nga yung nilagay mo?
Buong mukha nilagay.
Ano nga yan?
O, tinan mo, buong mukha, o. 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 Wala Alam mo naman, ginugupitan ko yung buhok. Kaya
Ano yung nilagay mo?
Sa mami niya eh. Baka sa mami niya.
Nasasampal ka. Pang-makeup dyan, mahina. Kaya tutulog na kita! Gabi na!
Hey, Eugene, go. Sign up for manual labor instead of the military? What's that look, huh? I thought you renounced the entire world. You ever hear of sense?
Siya naman yan, yung
Huh?
umpisa
It's
niya.
been around for a long time.
Yan.
So what should we eat?
Hey, guys.
Kaibigan niya
A lot
na
of cash.
kayo.
So what do you say we get soju and paint the town red? We're having a good time!
What did you want? Awesome, thanks.
Saan yung lagi sinasabi niyang may
Gosh, you should eat some of the liquor. You scared me.
Nakaano niya?
I'm very sorry.
No. G1, di ba yung sabi niya, hindi na siya mag-iinom kung anong nangyari sa kanya dati. Pero meron yata siya naka-hook up. Si ano yata yun?
Dapat ko sabihin lang
Siya!
Hindi ko
Galing
ito
yan,
red.
If you really
Pero namulan.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't be shit.
Next time gagawin ko. Pero, hindi na. Kasi, birthday ba classmate ko, Nathan and Ethan. Kambal.
Wow!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Board ko.
Are you with anyone?
Oh, I'm alone. I'm really, really alone. On March 2nd, my dad died. So, yeah. I'm alone. Also, I broke up for good with my boyfriend, so I'm really alone now.
Even so, what about, like, your friends?
Friends?
Salamin, nayapakan.
I'm a little unlikable, so I have no friends.